Hey guys, welcome to Dove's Dope Crafts. I'm Dove, welcome to my channel. So today I'll be showing you how I created the design for the Valentine's Day game Cigarillo packet. Okay, so this was the design that I created, and this was my final product. I created this on the free version of Canva, and I got my template from adrianaspapercrafts.com. I'll be posting the link in the description below. She also has a YouTube video on how to assemble it, so make sure you go check that out. I'll be posting an assemble video for the Cigarillo Pack this week as well, so make sure you subscribe and click the bell so you can get notified when I post videos. Okay, so after you download the template, these are the other pictures that we're going to look for. So now we're going to look for the yellow part of the top of the Cigarillo packet. So we're going to look for the 2 for 99 cent Swisher Sweets. Go to images and see if you can find an image like this. Oh no. An image like this, or something more clear like this where you can see, and then just save that to your computer. Next we're going to look for the game Cigarillo logo. Okay, so this one should work good if you can find this or something similar to this. Go ahead and save it to your computer. Alright, next we're going to go into Canva. We're going to go into custom size, change this to inches, and resize it to 5.75 by 8 inches. Alright, the first thing we're going to put is the template. So go ahead and add the template and resize it to fit your whole design, and then lock it so that you can't move it. Next we're going to add a square and go ahead and resize it to fit the whole thing as well. Right, I'm going to change this to red, and then I'm going to lower the transparency on it so that I can still see my template, and then I'm going to lock it. Right. So first I'm going to add the Cigarillo pack, and then just resize it. We're going to crop it down all the way to where we can only see the yellow part. You can keep the resealable foil pouch if you would like, but I like to just cut that out. And just leave the yellow part and then resize it to fit the front of your design. Alright, next we're going to add the game logo. I'm going to go ahead and crop this down because I'm going to make my own warning label for this. So I'm just going to crop that out and resize it. And I'm going to add my picture. If you need to take the background off a picture, you can always go to remove.bg and upload your picture, and it takes the background off automatically for you. So just resize it. Okay, then you're going to add your text. So there's a lot of different options here for you to choose from, or you can just add regular text and change the font. I like this text, so this is the one that I'm going to use. And I'm going to change it to Happy Valentine's Day. I'm going to ungroup it because I want to duplicate this. change it today. I'm also going to change the color to the font because I want to do black and white. So I'm going to change the color and then the effect to white. And same for the rest of the font. So I'm going to change that. And then the font color. And then I'm going to highlight all three of them and resize it. Alright, then I'm going to create my warning label for it. So I'm going to add a square to fit the bottom of my design. And I'm going to change this to black. And then I'm going to duplicate that square, make it just a little bit smaller. Alright, so we're going to turn the colors around. We're going to change the back one to white. We're going to keep the front one to black. And just make this just a little bit smaller. And then we're going to highlight both of them. And then we're going to just position them center in the middle. And then we're going to add our text. So I'm going to change this to white. Then we're going to highlight warning. And we're going to bold it. And you can write whatever you want. I just like this one. I just thought it was cute. So I'm going to put it here. Alright, then we're going to add the names to it. I'm going to ungroup this, take it off, and then add your name, John, and Amanda. And I'm going to change the colors to this as well, and the effect on the board. And I'm rotating this to put it on the, this is going to go on the back part. Alright, and then just resize it. Make sure you stay within the glue lines because this is what's going to not be seen. Alright, then I'm going to add the hearts to it. So I'm going to click the heart. just resize it and duplicate it, switch the position to it, duplicate it again. I'm just going to rotate it to a different side. Then I'm going to duplicate this one. Alright, then I'm going to highlight them all. I think I just want them just a little bit smaller. Highlight them all. And duplicate. And duplicate and just fill them all the way down. So I'm going to take these three and put them on this side. Maybe I should make these a little bit smaller. You can just place them wherever you want. Alright, so I'm going to change these to pink. So I'm going to change all the hearts to pink, and I'm almost done with my design, but I'm going to add, I'm going to add my QR code. I don't know if you guys want me to make a video of that, just let me know in the description, in the comments, or you can let me know on Facebook as well. I'm going to add this to my design. I'm going to click on the background, unlock it, put my transparency to 100%. Alright, and you're done with your design. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you click the bell to be notified when I post videos. See you again next time.